Hey y'all, Elizabeth here, and we're going to talk about how to use your liquid concealer to highlight under your eyes. So if you're trying to cover up dark circles, first you're going to correct them. So you're going to use the same shade as your foundation, but then you want to highlight and brighten under your eyes to kind of hide more, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to take Velour. Actually, no, let's do Scarlet. I'm going to take Scarlet, which is the lightest of our concealer, so you can really see the difference here. So if you're not familiar with this, if you don't wear a lot of makeup, you only want to go one shade lighter, but Scarlet is actually going to be 2 shades lighter than my foundation I've got on right now, so we are going to really go for it. So you want to do kind of a triangle under your eye. What a lot of people mistakenly do is they'll do just like a half circle right under your eye, but you really want to bring it down so that it's going to look more natural when you're done. So I'll do that, and then I'll let it sit just for a minute or two to kind of warm up to my skin's temperature. And then some other key places that people will highlight with concealer are right here above your forehead. And these are kind of the same places that you would highlight with a highlighter or luminizer. And kind of down there. And on the Cupid's bow, right above your lip. And then on your chin. Alright? So after, it's not as important for these parts, for where it sits. And just kind of blend it out. Just like so. And then same thing here. Blend that so that it blends in with your foundation. And has a nice finish. I mean, look. Look at the difference between under this eye and under that one. I mean, that's crazy. It's amazing what makeup can do, isn't it? Like, I don't look near as tired on that side. It's so awesome. And then, of course, you'll go back and contour and blush and all that on top of that. But that's it. That's how easy it is to highlight using your liquid concealer. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys soon.